In the heart of ancient traditions that have shaped the beliefs of millions, the red heifer emerges as a symbol of profound purity and a key to unlocking one of the most anticipated events in biblical prophecy, the rebuilding of the Temple in Jerusalem. Mandated in the Book of Numbers, chapter 19, the red heifer's ashes are critical for the purification rites required by the Israelites. The Lord said to Moses and Aaron, "This is a decree of the law that the Lord has commanded. Tell the Israelites to bring you a red heifer without defect or blemish, and that has never been under a yoke. A man who is clean shall gather up the ashes of the heifer and put them in a ceremonially clean place outside the camp. They are to be kept by the Israelite community for use in the water of cleansing. It is for purification from sin." The significance of the red heifer sacrifice today lies in its connection to the rebuilding of the Temple in Jerusalem. According to the Book of Ezekiel, specific instructions are given for the construction of the altar and the sacrifices that must be offered once it is built. The Book of Ezra also describes the rebuilding of the altar and the resumption of burnt offerings in accordance with the law of Moses. For many Jews and Christians, the sacrifice of the red heifer is seen as a critical step in paving the way for the reconstruction of the temple and the restoration of certain religious practices that have been on hold since its destruction in 70 AD. The renewed interest in the red heifer ritual is significant because it symbolizes the desire of some groups to rebuild the temple and reinstate the sacrificial system described in the Bible. This has profound religious and political implications, as the Temple Mount in Jerusalem is a site of immense importance and contention for Jews, Muslims, and Christians alike. While the sacrifice of the red heifer may seem like a purely religious ritual, it carries deep symbolic and practical significance in the context of the ongoing conflict over the holy sites in Jerusalem and the broader issue of Jewish-Muslim relations in the region. As we contemplate the red heifer's enduring legacy, we stand at the crossroads of history and prophecy, witnessing the unfolding of a story that transcends time, uniting past, present, and future in its narrative arc. Thank you for watching. For more explorations of faith and history, subscribe to our channel.